Hi guys, my name is Anupama and welcome to my channel Life-O-Holic. Now today's video is going to be all about everyday makeup look that you can go for when you're going to office or college or just randomly stepping out. Now this is the makeup look that I do when I go to office. It's not too complicated. So if you're interested, please keep on watching, and before that, please do subscribe to my channel. I come out with a video for you guys every week. Now this is my bare face. I have just moisturized my skin very well. Also I have put some lip balm on. I generally put lip balm before I start the makeup routine so that by the time I'm done, my lips are ready for lipstick. And before we begin this video, I would like to just clear it out that this is what I do when I go to office. Now it's completely on you. Makeup is a complete personal choice. You can just go all out or you can just do the bare minimum. That's totally up to you, but this is generally what I follow and that's what I'm showing in this video. So for a daily basis, I don't go for something heavy coverage. I go for something sheer to medium kind of a coverage. So I don't use a foundation at all on a daily basis, but I use a concealer. I use concealer to kind of hide my dark circles as well as the dark spots on my face. So today I'm going to use Wet n Wild Photofocus Concealer. Now this is in the shade medium tawny, and this shade matches my skin tone exactly. Now I use a combination of fingers and beauty blender to blend the concealer so that the warmth of my fingers can just melt the concealer. I've just done spot correcting. Now I like to go in with the brightening concealer. So I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is a tad bit lighter to my skin shade. This is in the shade medium, and it's a little bit lighter. So I just like to brighten my under eye and just the centers of my face. Now can you see how it has instantly brightened up the centers of my face? I like to set my under eye and wherever I have put concealer. For people with oily skin, I would recommend that you set the entire face. I only set like just the parts where I have concealed because I have dry skin. You can use a loose powder, you can use a compact powder. Now loose powder will give you a very nice sheer coverage, and a compact powder will give you a little bit more denser coverage. So it's completely up to you what kind of makeup look that you're going for. I would go for a loose powder, and I'm using the one that I got from Miniso, the Invisible Fix Loose Powder. Very slightly, I'll just take it on my brush, very less, and I'll just tap off the excess and just go with a very light hand. Now this will make the concealer stay for more time, and you want the concealer to last you an entire day. Now don't worry about looking too powdery, because We're going to take care of that. Now my face might be looking a little powdery right now, but just let it sit on your face for some time. Meanwhile, we can get in with our eyebrows, and for eyebrows I'm using Wet n Wild retractable eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade medium brown. I like to keep it very natural. I like to mimic the eyebrow hair growth, so I don't go for anything too stark. So make sure that you're not using a black color eyebrow pencil, because that's just going to make you look very harsh. See how eyebrows have instantly lifted the look. So if you don't do any other makeup, that's fine, but do not forget your eyebrows because they make you look put together. Next, what I do is I either line my eyes or I put kajal. Now I don't do both on the same day, I just do either of them. So today I'm going to use a kajal pencil. I just alternate between the two, like based on what I feel like. So today I'll be using the kajal stick from Sugar Cosmetics. So I'm done with that, and the next thing that I like to go in is coating my lashes with a mascara. So for that, today I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. If you can see, the mascara has completely opened up my eyes. That's why I really like going with mascara on a daily basis. Now my makeup is completely done. Only thing left is a lipstick. So that's when I go in with the setting spray. Setting spray is a must if you're going for a light makeup or a heavy makeup. This is a must. It gives a very natural effect, and also the powders and the various things that you've put on your face, all the layers just melt into one. I go in for a few pumps of this spray. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photofocus natural one. I think they have in a matte variant as well. I have done a review earlier on the Wet n Wild setting spray. If you have not watched it, I will link it in the description box below. Now can you see how it has instantly given me a very natural look? Nothing too heavy, and it has completely melted all the powders. So now I'm not looking powdery anymore. The only thing left is a lipstick. So for that I'm using the L'Oreal one. They had come up with this limited edition L'Oreal Luxe leather lipstick. I think they are still available. I have picked out the shade Melissa's Fingertips. It's a nice rusty orangey kind of a shade. So that's about it. This is what I do on a regular basis. Now it might look like a lot of steps, but trust me, since I do this on a daily basis, it just happens very quickly, like 5 to 10 minutes, not more than that. I like it because it's not a very sheer coverage and it's not a full coverage. You can still see my spots through the makeup, though I have concealed it to quite an extent. So I like the fact that it doesn't completely cover all my spots and all the imperfections. It is still visible. It gives a nice natural look. So do let me know in the comment section how you guys liked this kind of an everyday makeup look for your office, for college, or just like that if you're going out. And if you like my video, please do hit like, and please subscribe to my channel. I come out with a video every week. So until next time, stay tuned. Bye bye.